So, hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. This is a new type of video, me trying to fix the bike. This is my beautiful Honda VFR, and yes, there is something wrong. First of all, my turning signal to the right, you can hear it, you can see it. It sometimes works. It's now not working, it just blinked once. And I first thought it was the bolt's fine. So there is something wrong with its connections. And if you see my YouTube shorts, you also notice it's running rough, and I believe it's because every time it draws power, it lowers the RPM a little, and then it doesn't. So it's unreliable, and I think that's the cause of the going up and down RPMs. So let's get this one off and see what we can find. So we can see the mechanism. Bolt. I don't know if we can see inside there. We just removed the whole back now, so we can have a better chance to see what's going on. So here it is. It might be just that connection. The bolt looks fine. Let's see what happens. It's somewhere in here. Yeah. It's somewhere not making contact. I think it will be in here. Yep. Let's get rid of this. Go somewhere warm, somewhere inside, and see what the actual damage is. While trying to make sense of this, I noticed that this is already broken. You can pull off this part, and then you see this should be connected to this cable. So therefore, I'm pretty certain this is the problem. Okay, so the plan is very simple. This is a new connector. We'll just slide over it, and we need to make it onto this one, and therefore we might use some strength. Let me grab a knife. Our soldering iron is charging. We can prepare this quite a bit. And what I like to do is grab it, make two parts out of it. So it's a more strong connection. Fun fact, I thought my iron was empty, but it was actually just loose. So this part was loose, and it doesn't work. It's now heating up. So we get our tin, and we want to see if we can I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just melting some tin in there. It should make a firm connection. Oh, it's melting the plastics. But I don't care. I'll die one day earlier if my Honda survives. Let's see if we can actually fit it over. It fits beautifully. You think that is a secure connection? Now some electrical tape and we're all done. Love it. Beautiful. So let's suit up and give her a go. Let's see how she runs. So 1 eternity later, I'm suited up. Let's see if she actually runs, or we drain the battery by blinking too much. Is it in neutral? Yes, it is. You better. that the voltage is just staying way more stable than before, and you can see that the ref needle is very more stable than before. I know the footage from before, but she was just how you say that? She was uneasy. This bike, man. What a freaking beauty. A little dirty. Okay, good. It sounds so much better. Still the exhaust leaking. And I hope to install a new one in a few weeks. I bought a new one. So the everything before this part will be replaced. So exhaust tape, which is not ideal. You can see in the light it's a little flickery, which is normal for a bike this age, but somehow I believe that the indicator light is messing up everything else. What do you guys think? Is that reasonable to think? Reasonable to believe? I don't know, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just someone who loves bikes, especially older ones. So I'm enjoying a nice Sunday ride, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!